Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. We're expecting it to be a clearer and windy day along the west coast of the country after fairly cloudy conditions yesterday, while over the rest of the country it's going to be a partly cloudy afternoon. And as I put the synoptic analysis into motion, I wanted to keep an eye over the central parts where we're expecting a band of showers and storms to develop this afternoon and this evening. Wet weather expected over the northwest, the Free State as well as in KwaZulu-Natal, and stormy conditions will also develop over Gauteng as well as into Mpumalanga. By this evening, it will become cloudy along the southern and southeast coasts of the country, where light rain is also expected. Quick look at the alerts, and there is a watch in place for the possibility of severe thunderstorms developing for some areas along the eastern escarpment, extending from southern Mpumalanga all the way down towards the Eastern Cape. We'll be keeping an eye on the thunder showers developing in the area, as some of those storms might become strong. Scattered storms for today throughout the central parts as well as over the eastern interior down towards the coastline of KwaZulu-Natal and some parts of the Eastern Cape. Isolated thunder showers for Polokwane as well as towards Lephalale and Limpopo. Light rain along parts of the southern coastline as we've already seen, while there could be a couple of early showers for some areas in the southern Karoo, but that area will be clearing out quite quickly. Moving ahead to the temperatures, and it remains warm to hot in the north. Pretoria at 28 degrees, the same temperature for Modimolle and Polokwane. And as we head southwards, we can see it's going to be a cooler day for parts of the Free State. Bethlehem at 23, and it will also be an especially mild day near the coastal areas of the Eastern Cape, where most places will remain in the low 20s for this afternoon. Remaining hot on the other hand for Richards Bay at 30 degrees, and a southwesterly swell has returned to KwaZulu-Natal for this afternoon, reaching a height of about 2 meters. We'll see more organized waves moving through the area today. Warm to hot in the south as well. Beaufort West gets to 31, while Oudtshoorn will be slightly more comfortable at 28 degrees. And it's still going to be cool along the south coast of the country. Muizenberg windy, 40 km/h winds in your area, and we still have a 3.5 meter swell all across that stretch of the coast. Hot for some areas in the Northern Cape. Once again, Prieska gets to 35, while Kimberley will peak at 34. And along the west coast of the country, temperatures remain in the lower 20s. Once again, it's going to be a very windy afternoon for this area, in particular for Langebaan, a southerly wind at 45 km/h. Let's look ahead to tomorrow, and very wet weather is expected for the Free State. And we're also going to see a very good chance for thunder showers once again in Gauteng. A couple of light showers along the south coast, and we could see some rainfall around Sutherland and Graaff-Reinet.